And finished for the 4th of July party. Look at all these snacks. This is gonna be the best party ever. How's it going, Foxy? And oh my, I can see you got a lot of work done. Pretty awesome if I do say so myself. Here, put one of these on. When's everybody else coming? I think they're in the game room if you want to go get them. Sounds like a good plan to me. Okay, you, Lefty? So, I thought you were one of the ones in the game room. No, I went down to Walmart and bought the... Cool, I'm gonna go get the rest of you, don't... Yeah, that's fine. Windows Simulator. The best game in the world. Not a real game, by the way. Yeah, that's great. Love me some popcorn. Hey guys, the kitchen's ready, so you wanna come? Then go ahead. Be there in a sec. I've gotta finish these 8 windows. Alright, the boys will be coming in a sec. That's great. I'm gonna go get some nacho cheese if you don't mind. Okay, wait. Are you just gonna eat the nacho cheese plain? Don't get the cheese touch! Ah, no! Oh! Here, use a spoon. Don't touch it with your hand, or you get the cheese touch. Got it. Good call. The cheese touch on 4th of July would ruin everything. Oh no, don't tell me someone got the cheese touch. Don't worry, guys. We fixed it. Good. A cheese touch on 4th of July would ruin everything. We know. You guys, I was thinking, you want to go outside? Yeah, we've been in here for quite a while, especially us playing Windows Simulator. Yeah, let's go outside. Okay. Okay. Guys, I've noticed we've survived countless times from jumping off this balcony. Want to do it again? You guys didn't go too far, but since I'm a bunny, I can. Whee! I'll see you when. You'll catch me doing it when I'm alive. Okay, well, it is my turn. We're gonna do the double dive. Whee! Wow, my gosh. I rolled so far down. I bet they can't beat that in a blink of an eye. Well, guys, let's go back inside. Okay, we had a good party outside, but I think it's time. We had a pretty good party inside, so I say we do it outside now. Okay, we should probably put some bug spray on. Okay, I'm gonna put it on you. Should I trust you? No. Okay, well, this can't be too hard. But I should probably spray your body. Okay, I'm doing pretty good. Here, I'm gonna spray myself with some bugs. Okay, here I go. Let's see, got a body. Got my... That should be pretty good.
I already have this advanced formula of Bugs Bed.
Lucky.
You know, this new Bugs Bed is so good, I think I might have to win for the least bugs or mosquitoes attack.
Yeah, and oh my.
Any bugs? Any bugs?
Coca-Cola. Finally some sugary drinks. Some delicious hot dogs just for me. Oh yeah.
Oh, hot dogs.
Don't mind if I do.
Time to get my hot dogs in.
Oh my. Ah, some delicious hot dogs, man. Like your cotton drink. I must have taken your spike. What do we have here, huh? How about, okay, I'll help you. Really? No. You want to eat these, do you? Heck yeah, these are nacho cheese edition. I prefer the spicy kind, the purple. Is that a bet? That's a bet. Whoever drinks the most.
You bet you're ready.
Keep going. Beat that. Gladly. That's sure a lot of time up for a second. Sure, after 1 second. Oh. Guess I. Oh no. Busted. Okay, well, let's see if we can start a fire and 2 hours later. Dude, we stink at making fire.
Don't rub it in my face.
It's fine, you can go. Firework time. Okay, guys, fireworks about to go down.